Hey, what's this? What? Hungarian Hiccups. What? Part 13, part 14, and you have it. Yes, guys, start again.
Hungarian Hiccups.
Movie, make these needs.
And music by Johannes Brahms. Way to go, Rocket! This is spectacular! Great flying, Rocket! Hi, I'm Leah, and this is our best friend, Rocket. Today, Rocket is going to be in the Great Sky Race. Rocket, there's the starting line. Whoa, look at the planes. And jets. And helicopters. We know you're gonna win, Rocket. You're the fastest, coolest rocket ever.
Just Judge, feelings around.
Wow. Rocket is singing his special race song. Hooray for Rocket!
What's the matter, Rocket? Sorry, it's a bit chat.
Wow, he's so fast. Don't be nervous, Rocket.
No, Rick, kid, you feel it.
I know it.
Achoo!
Huh?
Achoo!
Rocket, what are you doing? Stop fooling around, Rocket. You've got to get ready for the Great Sky Race.
Achoo!
Wait a minute. Rocket has the
Don't you not cool be making skis!
hiccups. Rocket's never had the hiccups before.
Achoo!
Rocket,
That's land, dear. Achoo! Achoo!
every time Rocket hiccups, he goes backwards. But the race is going to start.
Groovy, need these sneeze. Oh, sneezing all around. Achoo!
But how do you fix
Groovy, make these sneeze.
stopping Rocket hiccups? Must be sort of like stopping Kid hiccups. When I get the hiccups, Leo sneaks up behind me and yells, "Boo!" That surprises my hiccups away.
That's a great idea, eh? We got the mission. Groovy, make me sneeze. I was gonna go Groovy, the rocket, go into the race.
Yay!
Achoo!
How should we surprise Rocket? I've got an idea. We'll sneak up behind Rocket and crash cymbals. That's sure to surprise him. Good thinking.
Share the friends. Break off. What's this? Contest. We're talking about. That's perfect. Who's 50? Come on, do it, you.
Come on. Welcome aboard.
Hey, safe for shot. Alright, let's do it.
We're going to need a lot of power to blast off.
Bang. Shoot! Miss it! Leo, rocket, and shit over questions already, yeah.
But we need...
You know that's what? Think about this! Go ahead, sleep in the wire. Should it be 5, 4, 3, 2, 1? That's
We're here! Ooh, look at all the lovely instruments. Oh, I just adore orchestra ocean. Whoops. We really need to do something about these hiccups. Come on, let's find the symbols. Rocket, lower your looking glass. I see violins and drums and cellos. But I don't
I do symbols. You got for the grub you anywhere.
I can hear the symbols.
That is the symbols.
Yeah, there they are. Those symbols are loud. They're sure to surprise Rocket. We have to catch them.
Hey, crap, grab shirt.
Okie dokie. Rocket,
I already see it.
that was awesome, Annie. Great job. Okay, guys. Now we can surprise Rocket's Hiccups.
Too late. I go excited.
Rocket.
Ah, Nick scared. Rocket, I came right back.
Will you help us
Please
surprise
surprise Rocket.
Rocket?
Awesome. Pretend the answer rules.
Now clap your cymbals. Clap. That was nice loud clapping.
Oh, shh. This is a good go. This is good. Go. Go after those symbols with that.
Symbols with us. Ready?
Ready. Let's practice.
Good going.
Alright, shh. I can sneak in.
Ready?
Tonight. Rocket up, gee, make a boy. Smart, good luck with the boy. But we happen to start. They're gonna change now.
Does he still have the hiccups?
You're right, Ruby. This is so weird.
Don't worry, Rocket.
I can't even.
Wait for you to fly a great sky race. What do we do?
That's the go see that or to see it.
Yeah, a bigger surprise should stop Rocket's hiccups. I have an idea! Again, like a tiger. That will surprise Rocket. That's a fantastic idea, Annie. We have got to go to the jungle.
To Rocket, basically. Look, you get great sky rays. He's off of the tiny throw rays. Oh, who's against me, guys? You spit chat. 3, 2. Let's go, Rocket. Achoo! Alright, wow, this jungle's huge. Please, let's get out. I'm gonna get you.
Do you see a tiger? Yeah, there it is. That sure is a big tiger.